Welcome to day 25, I believe it is. 365, uploading video every day for 365 days, guys. Today, we're doing some stripes, custom stripes on a truck. So I do get my piece here heated up, knifeless tape, and then a piece on the box yet. So we're gonna do that on both sides, and she'll look sharp. Jeez. All right, so the custom stripe package is done, and yes, I'm wearing a t-shirt out here in minus whatever it is. Basic striping, nothing crazy, nothing too fancy, just some honest stripes. There we go. On to the next job. All right, time to go install a custom sign. That Tobias is going to do all the work, he said, so that I can just kind of relax and lay back and watch him work. So thank you, Tobias, for that. And we're going to go grab a coffee first, and then we'll go watch Tobias work. Okay, so obviously I was joking about making my coworker do all the work here. Here you guys can see me templating up the logo. We got the letters all cut out that can be placed inside there with the acrylic letters. For some reason, the vinyl template, did not want to stick properly, but we made it work anyway. Here we are. Tobias is in the background, gluing all the letters. You can see him pop in every now and then handing them over to me, and I'm putting them in place while at the same time slowly taking off that template as I feel that I can. Some of the letters didn't get quite enough glued right off the top, so you see me take a few of them off, put them back on, like that O there. Yeah, seemed to work pretty good. We did end up having one of the black pieces that was painted backwards, so that will have to get repainted and put back in place. But other than that, I think it turned out really good. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I think the end product looks pretty awesome. All right, guys. So today's kind of a random day. Back in the print room, we're printing posters, we're printing DTFs, doing tests, and having some issues with the DTF again. I swear DTF printers are not meant to be used. But anyway, also just exporting yesterday's video so we can upload it for today. and get the vlog up for today. While we're filming today's video, which goes up tomorrow. So, need to get this guy working good. We're gonna move this head over there and see if we can get this figured out, because I'll show you guys something. So if you guys can see this, our white is okay here, not good here, and not great there. No blue, no black. Magenta, good. Yellow, good. No black, and blue's good here again. So I'm not sure what's going on there. Random stuff was working good. Colors were working good. White wasn't working good. And now really nothing's working good. So, all right, I'm actually gonna go ahead and end today's video right there. Close these guys for the weekend. I'm just tired of this machine. This machine just frustrates me. Had it working good for the past couple weeks. Was working really good, but now it seems to not want to work again. So we're gonna have to fight with this. If I didn't have a massive headache all afternoon, I would probably sit here and fight with it more. But it's also almost 5 o'clock, and I've been here since like 6:30. So I think it's time to call it quits. Now I know today's been a little bit of a shorter day, or a shorter vlog, random vlog, but I do appreciate it, guys. 25 days in a row uploading a video to YouTube. I've never done this. I've never done a streak like this before. So guys, hit that like button, hit subscribe, give it a comment, please. Comment something. Let's go. 26 days tomorrow. See you guys there.